Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Abhishek and in today's video we are going to dive into the most versatile and powerful data structures in Python, dictionaries. Just like an English dictionary which helps us to find the meaning of the words, a Python dictionary helps us to store and retrieve the values using keys. Let's get started. What is a dictionary in Python? A dictionary in Python are used to store data values in key value pairs. Items are ordered mutable just like a list, but dictionary do not allow duplicate keys. So typically a dictionary is a collection of key value pairs where each key is like a word in an English dictionary and each value is like the definition of that word. This makes it easy to quickly look up information, right? For example, in English dictionary, you look up the word apple to find its definition, a fruit that is typically red, green, or yellow. In Python, we use dictionaries to achieve similar functionality. Let us now see how to access and modify the values in our dictionary. So, minidict is our dictionary which has three key value pairs, right? If I need to access the Apple key, I can do it like this. Minidict of Apple. I'll get the definition of Apple. So if I need to access the value of key banana, I have to type like this. I will get the value of the banana. So if you want to modify a definition, you can simply reassign it using the key. Let's say we want to update the definition of apple. I can simply do it like this. Minidict of apple. This is the definition, existing definition. Okay. I will change it like this. And if I print the minidict now, you can see apple key, the definition is modified now. Let us now add and remove items to a dictionary. We already have a dictionary minidict with three key values, apple, banana, and cherry. Let me add a new value to it, new key value, mini dict. I'll be adding date fruit. Right. I've added a new fruit to it. Let me print the new value. See, date is added to the dictionary. Now, to remove a word and its definition, we can use del statement or pop method. Let us see how we can remove a element, remove a key from a dictionary. Del minidict of, suppose I need to remove banana from minidict, banana. Let me print the minidict now. See, we have removed the banana. Similarly, we can use the pop method also. Mini dict dot pop. I need to remove cherry from a dictionary. So this pop method returns the definition of that key. We can store it in one more variable, cherry definition. Hmm? Okay. Then let me print our dictionary now. After removing cherry, we have apple and date. And you can see cherry definition, a small round fruit that is typically bright or dark red. Okay, this is how we can remove the keys from our dictionary. Next concept is dictionary methods. Dictionaries come with variety of built-in methods that makes them even more powerful. Let's explore some of these methods. Here, the first method is keys. As the name suggests, it will return the keys of our dictionary. So here if you see, mini-dict has two keys, apple and date. So with the help of keys, we can get only the keys from our dictionary, right? Similarly, mini-dict dot values, it will return the values of our existing dictionary. Okay, next, the items method, mini-dict dot items. This will return the list of tuples with key and value in one tuple, key and value in another tuple. It will return the list of tuples, right? Similarly, there is a get method. So here, using this method, I can get the value of the keys. For example, apple. If I need to get the value of apple, I can use get method. Suppose here, if I am trying to get the value of a key which is not present in our dictionary, hmm, banana is not there in our dictionary now, right? You will get nothing, right? You will, this will not return any error also. So if this is not there, if you want to return any default values, you can give in the next parameter. So if banana is not there, it will return not found. Looping through dictionaries can be done in several ways. You can loop through words, you can loop through keys, you can loop through values, or you can loop through key value pairs. So we have apple and date in our mini dict, right? Let me print the keys. We know mini dict dot keys method will give the keys in our dictionary. Using loop, we can print the key separately. For key in mini-dict dot key, print the key. So apple and date are two keys, right? Two words. Similarly, for value in mini-dict dot values, print the value. So value for those key, I can print it this way. Or I can use both, means I can loop through both key and value like this. For key value in mini-dict dot items, print, I will use format string to show key and its value, right? Nested dictionaries. Sometimes you might need a dictionary within a dictionary. These are known as nested dictionaries. For example, let's say we want to include more information about fruit, such as color and its taste. So we can make use of nested dictionary this way. Nested dict equal to apple. Okay. So here I will give its definition, right? What is its definition? It is a, I'll just copy and paste this definition here. Next, color. Color of apple is, what I've mentioned here is red or yellow, right? Taste, Here I have to give comma. Taste is sweet. Then I'll close these braces. Next, date. So definition for date is, I'll copy definition from here. A sweet fruit from date palm tree, comma, and its color. Color is brown, you can say. I'll write it in a list. Okay. I have to close this with quotes. Next is the taste. I'll give it a sweet. Okay. Then I'll close the dictionary. Right. So this is how we can create a nested dictionary. Like I'll print it now. See, apple and its definition, apple and its color, apple and its taste. Similarly for the date. So if you want to know what is the color of the apple, how you can retrieve the information? Nested dict of apple of taste. Taste is sweet. Similarly, if you want color, color is red or yellow. This is how you can use nested dictionary to store the data. Yes, we have covered the basics of creating, accessing, modifying, and deleting dictionary entries, as well as some advanced topics like dictionary methods and nested dictionaries. Thanks for watching and see you next time.